Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes and welcome to Maths 2B. See here, what is our online topic? Circles. Already some problems are completed. Now the continuation problem, fourth one. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 4, 1 minus 6, 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. Understand? See here, the required circle passing through the 2 points 4, 1, 6, 5 and the center on which line, sir? 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. Like this one, there is the center. Yeah, this line is which one, sir? 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. This line is the 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. Center lies on this line. And also, here the circle passes through which point, sir? 4, 1. Next, here 6, 5. 4, 1, here 6, 5. The required circle passes through 4, 1, 6, 5. And center lies on which line, sir? 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. Generally, minus g, minus f, we are taking the center of the circles. Okay, na? Minus g, minus f is the center of the circles. Center lies on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. And the required circle passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5. Now we are finding the circle equation. See here, what is the general form of the circle, sir? Let s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. Okay, na? See here in our question, what is given, sir? 4, minus 1, 6, 5 passes through the required circle. There is nothing but the 4, 1 lies on the circle s is equal to 0. Here we are writing. So that's why the s of 4, 1. S of what is the answer? 4, 1 is equal to 0. The point 4, 1 lies on the required circle. That's why we are taking s of 4, 1 equal to 0. That implies 4, 1 is nothing but in this equation s is equal to 0 equation. We are substituting x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 4 we are substituting, y is equal to 1 we are substituting. Okay now? So there is nothing but 4 square, y square is equal to 1 square plus 2g into x. X is equal to 4 plus 2f into y. Y equal to what is the value of 1 plus c is equal to 0. Now we are simplifying this one. 4 square is equal to 16. 1 square is equal to 1. 2g into 4. What is the value of 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Okay, na? 16 plus 1 is nothing but 17. 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. This is we are taking the equation 1. Okay, now 8g plus 2f plus c equal to minus 17. That is the equation 1. Second point here s of second point what is this, sir? 6, 5 also lies on the required circle. S of 6, 5 is equal to 0. S of 6, 5 is equal to 0. That implies, okay, now 6, 5 is equal to 0. That implies in this equation we are substituting x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5. 6 square plus y is equal to 5. 5 square plus 2g into x. X is equal to what is the value? 6 plus 2f into y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 5 plus c is equal to 0. 6 square is equal to 36 plus 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36, 5 square is equal to 25 plus 2g into 6. 2 into 6, 12 gm. 6 into 2, 12g plus 2 into 5, 10f plus c is equal to 0. Here 36 plus 25. What is the value, sir? 61. Okay, now 36 plus 25 nothing but 61 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. So nothing but 12g plus 10f, 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. Okay, now 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. This is we are taking equation 2. Okay, now so first we are doing that equation 1 minus equation 2. First what we are doing, sir? Equation 1 minus equation 2. The equation 1 minus equation 2. That implies what is the equation 1, sir? 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. Here what is the number? 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. Here 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. Okay, now so now we are doing equation 1 minus equation 2. Minus plus. We are subtracting any two equations. The sides of the equations will be changed. That is plus 12 is there, minus 12 plus 12 minus 12. So plus c minus 61 plus 61. Here observation plus c minus c cancel out. 8g minus 12g. What is the answer? Minus 4g. 8g minus 12g is nothing but minus 4g. 2f minus 10f. What is the answer? Minus 8f is equal to here plus 61 minus 17. Okay, now what is the value of plus 61 minus 17? See here, what we are doing, sir? 61 minus 17. Here 11. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 7. Whatever, sir? 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 44. Next to 44 plus 44. Okay, now these two terms we can take common. Which one, sir? Which is the common value? These two terms here we are taking common. Minus 4 we are taking common. Remaining value here g plus 2f minus 4 into minus 8f is equal to 44. Okay, na? Here g plus 2f is equal to 44 by minus 4. Here 4 ones are 4 11. Here g plus 2f is equal to minus 11. G plus 2f is equal to what is the value? Minus 11. This is the equation 3m. G plus 2f is equal to minus 11. That is the equation 3. All of you noted first this one. So see now continuation. That g plus 2f is equal to what is the value? Minus 11. That is the equation 3m. So in our question, what is means? Center minus g comma minus f lies on which means 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. So center minus g comma minus f lies on the line. Lies on the line. Which lines are here? 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. Center minus g comma minus f lies on the line 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. Center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. 4 into minus g. Okay, na? Plus 3 into minus f minus 24 is equal to 0. 4 into minus g, 3 into minus f minus 24 is equal to 0. See here, minus 4g minus 3f minus 24 is equal to 0. So minus 24 is nothing but this is equal, we can write minus 4g minus 3f is equal to plus 24. This is the equation 4. Solving equation 3 and equation 4. Solving equation 3 and equation 4. What is the equation 3, sir? G plus 2f. Here G plus 2f is equal to minus 11. Okay, na? G plus 2f is equal to minus 11 and minus 4G minus 3f is equal to 24. There is G is there. That's why this equation multiplied with 4. This equation is multiplied with 4. There is nothing but what we are getting, sir? Equation 3 into, so 4 into equation 3 plus we are doing equation 4. 4 into equation 3 plus equation 4. There is nothing but adding 4 into equation 3. 4G plus 4 into 2, what is the value? 8f is equal to minus 11 into 4 minus 44 plus equation 4 minus 4G minus 3f is equal to 24. Minus 4G minus 3f is equal to 24. We are doing addition. That's why load operating changes of sign. Okay, now plus 4G minus 4G cancel. 8f minus 3f. 8f minus 3f. What is the answer? 5f is equal to minus 44 plus 24. What is the value? Minus 20. 5f is equal to minus 20. See here, now we are continuing. So 5f is equal to minus 20. F is equal to minus 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. That's why f is equal to minus 4. So now we are finding G value. Substituting f is equal to minus 4 in equation 3. Substituting f is equal to minus 4 in equation 3. What is equation 3? Here G plus 2f is equal to minus 11. See here. G plus 2f is equal to minus 11. We are substituting f is equal to minus 4. G plus 2 into f is equal to minus 4 is equal to minus 11. Here G is equal to, here minus 11, 2 into minus 4 minus 8. We are taking left side, right side, plus 8. Here G is equal to what is the value? Minus 3. G is equal to what is the value? Minus 3. Substituting G comma F values. Substituting G comma F values in equation 1. Okay now? Substituting G comma F values in equation 1. Okay now? First all of you note on this one first. All of you note on that one first. So see here, now substituting G comma F values in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 8G plus 2F plus C equal to minus 17. So 8 into G. Here G is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 3. G is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into F. F is equal to minus 4 plus C is equal to minus 17. 8 into minus 3 minus 24. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus C is equal to minus 17. Minus 24 minus 8 minus 32 plus C is equal to minus 17. C is equal to 32 minus 17. 32 minus 17. C is equal to whatever, sir? 15. Okay na? Here substitute G is equal to whatever, sir? G is equal to minus 3 and F is equal to what is the value? Minus 4. G is equal to minus 3. F is equal to which one, sir? Minus 4. C is equal to 15. In S is equal to 0. Substituting which equation, sir? S is equal to 0. What is S is equal to 0? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square 2 into g is equal to what is the value? Minus 3 into x. 2 into f is equal to which one, sir? Minus 4 into y. C is equal to what is the value, sir? 15 is equal to 0. X square plus y square 2 into minus 3 minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. Understand? The circle passes through which one, sir? See here. This is the required circle equation. required circle equation is required circle equation is which one, sir? Here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. The circle passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5 and also center of the circle lies on which one, sir? 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. All of you note on this one. See the next problem. See here. Find the equation of circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 and passing through minus 2, 14. Passing through minus 2, 14. What is the definition of the concentric circle, sir? Two or more circles having the same center with different radius, then the circles are called the concentric circles. Understand? See here, suppose, so this is the center of the first circle, this is the center of the second circle, also center this one, but these two circles having the radius different radius. This is the R1, R2. R1, R2 are different radius with the same circle. What is the definition of the concentric circles, sir? Two or more circles having the same center with different radius, then the circles are called the concentric circles. Okay, na? See here. Now we are finding the equation of a concentric circle with x square plus y square minus 6x plus minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 and passing through minus 2, 14. The difference is only constant value in the concentric circles. Same center but radius is different. So that's why I'll see the solution. Okay now. So the required equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Concentric with which one, sir? This circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. Only the difference in which ones are only constant value. So this is we are taking the equation 1. This is the equation 1. Okay now? See here. So this equation 1 passes through which point, sir? Here minus 2, 14. Substituting x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 14. That is nothing but minus 2 whole square plus 14 square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14. Okay now? Plus k is equal to 0. See here, now we are simplifying this one. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4. 14 square is equal to 196. Minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 4 plus 196 200. 200 plus 12 212 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 212 minus 56, that is nothing but here 156. 156 plus k equal to 0. Here k is equal to minus 156. Substituting k is equal to minus 156 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. Here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. This is the circle concentric with which one, sir? This circle. Okay now? So all of you notice. So thank you students. Next class will be continued tomorrow. All of you note down.